Now you remember I told you that in Dholuo there are some words that have got more than one meaning. There are words that have got more than one meaning. For example, even just a moment ago we talked about all. All can mean tired, okay? It can also mean all. It can mean tired, or getting tired, or being tired. It can also mean pour. To pour something in a cup, pour something. It can also mean to sing a chorus. Is it really to sing a chorus or to repeat? Let's say to repeat. I'll give you an example. So, the examples here are this. I am very tired. Aol ainya. That means I am very
Tired.
Then to pour. So you remember when we talked about an action that is done for you, like you can say, do for me something. Timna. You remember? And we said, so you can also use that na here and say olna nyuka. Pour for me porridge. Like serve me porridge, eh? Olna nyuka or olna chai ikikombe. Pour for me tea in the cup. This other all can also be all where. Where is a song, okay? So all where simply means if I'm the soloist, you're supposed to respond, right? So I solo, you respond. So the responding is all where. All where is to sing, like to respond. And then all, so there is all where, all nyuka, and then all, which is just to get tired. There is almost the same, it's just the same word. The only difference is the context and the way it is pronounced. So with the first one, aol ahinya, aol, I'm tired. And by the way, if you also want to conjugate it with the second one, aol nyuka, you can ask aol nyuka. So aol nyuka. If you just say aol alone, that means I'm tired. If you follow it with something that you're pouring, then it means pouring. Aol nyuka. And then it can also mean aol where. I mean, it can also be used for aol where, like it is me. Aol, I'm tired. Aol nyuka, I'm pouring porridge. Aol where, I'm responding to the song or repeating or singing the chorus. The other word is let me get you. We just talked about nango. Nango, I said, is can be a short form of Nike chango, or it basically just means why. You can also say nango, which means to leak. To leak, like the pot of porridge. So you leak. You're leaking porridge. We have so many examples. Boor. Boor is a hole. Boor is dust. Boor. There's another boor. which is a boil that swell on the skin. So bur can be a hole, bur. You dig, kunyo bur, to dig a hole. Bur, idumo bur, you are throwing dust. Bur, a boil. I have a boil on my leg. All of them are bur. Liel. Liel can mean liel can mean to light up. Liel can also mean a funeral. Liel can also refer to the grave. Liel can also mean to shave someone. So, in examples, Liel, the lamp is, do we say lighting? Then we have a funeral. We have a funeral. One Gilead. One Gilead. We have a funeral. The grave itself is Liel. So you can put a flower on the grave and say, Ketma wa ewi Liel. Ewi Liel. And also Liel, to shave someone, you can say, Liel Navia, shave for me my head. Ama Liel Nyathini, shave this child. Liel Nyathini, shave this child. And so on and so forth.